Alright, new project in the house. Here's a Nintendo top loader. As you guys may know, or not, this version doesn't have a power LED light. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to install one. But stick with me. This should be a fairly quick little project, adding a LED. So let's get right into it. Alright, I plan on drilling right here where this little bubble is. You can see that? Right there. That's where the LED is going to sit. So let me take this out. And this little indentation, I'm going to drill right into it. It appears that this has never been taken apart, so that's a good thing. Set that off to the side. Alright, I believe it was somewhere over here I'm going to be tapping into. While I'm in here, I'm going to clean all this out. Alright. So, yeah, we're going to have to figure out what's what on here. Alright, looking pretty good. Now, see here something. So we got power. These legs. Okay. Not sure what I'm tapping into, but I'm gonna see if I can call up a schematic or some kind of diagram to see what I want. I'm going to blow this out, some compressed air. In here. Oh man. Where's my tweezers? Yeah. There we go. Alright. Kind of a mess over here, guys. Kind of a mess. Positive. I'm gonna go with this one. Let me add some of this here to this resistor. Okay. And then onto here. Go. See if that works. Okay. so. Okay. Now I'm going to grab the LED and I just want to give it a test first with this other LED. It's not the one I'm going to use. I just want to make sure that I have everything correct before I install the final LED. So that's going to go like that, and this one's ground, like so. Maybe I'll even use this one, I don't know, we'll see how it sits. But this is just a test here. Let's see if this is going to work, or do we have a problem. Okay, I need some power. How's that? Alright, got some power here. Yep, it's on, right? Yep, as you can see, it's on. Turn it off, off, on, off, on. Turn on this other light. Alright, so everything's looking good to install. Very good. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to figure out the cover situation. So I'm going to set this off to the side. And let me see. Like I was saying before, I'm going to drill into this little hole here. And I'm hoping that, let's see, one of these here, I think this one, I think I'll be alright with this one. Yeah, because it's going to be underneath the red, so I really can't use a different color, so it'll be sitting right in there. Plenty of clearance. And let's see what happens here. And yep, I can get it right in there. I'll get stuck. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, I want to set this off to the side here. I'm going to bring this into the shop, go onto the drill press, and drill out that hole. Then put the LED in, and then snake some wire. So let me go do that real quick. Alright, I got the LED in. It's nice and secure in there too. Just going to press in a little more, yeah. I'm happy with that. So this is the positive leg, got the negative, like so. It'll be sticking out like that. Not much, not even sticking out, it's just, you see it. It's in there. There it is. And let's see here. The clearance, plenty of clearance. Okay. I also took out the reset button. I was cleaning underneath there. Okay, so now I have to get that board. Okay. Take out the old test LED, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to add some solder here. I am going to put some shrink tubing on here. So I'm just going to, hold on, just trying to make sure that I got plenty of clearance here. Put a little more here. Get that shrink tube. Hey, shout out to the message. Oh boy. Okay. So. Alright, all set. Shrink tube right around it, like that. There we have it. Done. All I have to do is put it back together, call it a day. see what we got here. I like that. Before I screw it in, let me see if it's all right. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Very good. Mission accomplished. On to the next project we go. Appreciate everybody watching. And there you have it. Nice little quick project. Now it has an LED. Test it out one more time. Beautiful. As you can see. Thanks for watching. On to the next project we go.